Good morning, Mariah. Time to wake up. Wake up. Good morning.
Oh!
Good morning. Time to wake up. Really? Time to wake up.
What up, fam nation? I'm in a good mood today, man. It's beautiful outside. The sun is out. It's not cloudy. It ain't raining. I mean, damn. We've been going through like weeks of this, man. Who's your favorite YouTube channel, boy? What's your favorite YouTube channel, boy?
Fam3.
Okay.
Oh, I can't hear.
Oh yeah, they're loud.
We made something.
Oh, he broke his. How does somebody break their own ankles? I'm gonna put that on slow mo. That was hilarious. I dare one of you guys to be on your phone and then all of a sudden start screaming like a psycho, like if something happened over the phone. One of y'all gotta do that. Come on. Come on. In front of everybody. Everybody starts staring at you like, what? How about y'all paper, scissors, rock? Paper, scissors, rock, and whoever loses gotta do that. Go ahead.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ooh.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Look, my fingers are curled up.
So, all right, so you lost, so now it's between me and you. Okay, ready? Ready? Go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Not between y'all. One of y'all two gotta do it. Break off your shell, man.
You're not Fam3 if you don't do it.
Exactly, right? Come on. Be part of the squad. Oh. He's crazy. He's crazy. Oh my God. You actually sink in here.
So completely step on
You
it.
should jump on it. You should jump. How are you going to jump?
Hey guys, so we are here at Shay's eating dinner.
So good. Good.
If you get Diet Coke and you put Mentos
Oh yeah.
in this Diet Coke,
What kind of Mentos?
the mint, the mint Mentos, what do you think is gonna happen?
It's gonna explode.
It's gonna explode, maybe.
We should get more than one.
We should try that.
We'll get some Diet Coke.
Wait, no.
Okay.
We're
Here,
not rich.
hold it.
We're not the guy that.
We're trying Diet Coke with Mentos.
I can hold it.
don't need that much Diet Coke.
We're trying Diet Coke with Mentos. What do you mean?
I can not hold
Dude,
it.
we're trying Diet Coke with Mentos. What do you? Come on. We're trying Diet Coke with... Oh my God. Selfie.
No, I'm good.
Hey boy, we're about to blow some shit up. Fail.
At the same time.
And then the rapper.
Oh, holy shit, they're not lying.
I didn't get to put them all in. Oh. So, today I'm trying to break the saltine cracker eating in a minute.
The Guinness World Record of saltine crackers.
Yep, and
Which is what?
12.
And how many do you have here?
13.
13.
Ready, set, go.
I think you can do it. Come on.
He's already dry as hell, wanting some water. It's already 24 seconds on your first one. What happened?
I couldn't breathe. It's everywhere in water. That's why I said if you're under 18, don't try it.
It said if you're under 18, don't try it. What happened?
It's all in my mouth.
Let me see.
Show your teeth.
Who's your teeth?
It's so dry.
Wait, let's see. Maybe you can do it.
Watch it.
Take two. Take two. And look, hold the camera, Jaden, because he can't eat fast and no water for you.
Let me show you how it's done, man. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Well, not like you go get there anyway.
Shit. Okay.
And go. Show your tongue. Don't cheat.
See, it gets everywhere. Wow.
Number 2.
You could do 4. You didn't even show. I still have some in my mouth. That's the end.
Stop. Stop.
And then swallow it.
Oh.
This
Back off.
challenge.
There was a little piece I gotta let it out.
It's like
Well, that's your water, ain't
impossible.
it?
You can't. It takes a minute to eat one cracker without water.
Dude, I seriously never knew that it's really that dry. One cracker is that dry.
Because you
That you
probably
can't-
always have some
that
type
you
of
can't
water or
swallow it.
something with it. Like,
It takes you about 20 seconds to swallow a fucking cracker. Come on. Quick.
You keep chewing it too much, so they make it even dry.
That's what I'm saying. It's like you try to chew it to try to make it go down and you cannot.
no. All right.
You can't. I told you.
I can literally.
Ew.
I can literally make this into a putty ball.
That's like putty. It's like you're trying to swallow putty.
It's
once you
like-
chew it. You know what I think you gotta do?
Like bread. When you're making bread, like the dough of
Yes,
the bread.
Yeah. See, you know what I think you gotta do? You gotta chew it like 2-3 times only. And
You
then
have to
swallow it.
like literally swallow it chunky. You cannot chew it till it dissolves.
Because
Why are you still showing the ball, Mom?
if you do, it's
Catch it! Thanks for watching! If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Also, if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do so now. And another thing, follow us on all of our social medias. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I think that's all we have. Also, check out
My Blues Fun World.
Blue's Fun World. She cuts squishies and slime and everything, and she's so much fun. Until next time, everyone. Bye.
Bye.